Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the Python programming language video lectures. Today, let us discuss a topic fruitful functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code for specific tasks. Fruitful functions produce and return a value. Key concepts include parameters, that is, inputs, return values, that is, outputs, and variable scope accessibility. These enhance modularity, reusability, reduce complexity, and simplify debugging. Parameters are placeholders for data. They are defined when creating a function. Functions can operate on different data. No modification is needed. Parameters enhance function flexibility and reusability. Example: DEF calculate area, length, width, where length and width are parameters. Parameters in action: positional arguments passed by order. Example: add 5, 10. Keyword arguments passed by name. Example: add number 1 is equal to 5, number 2 is equal to 10. Default provides fallback values. Example: def greet name is equal to user. Arguments are actual values supplied when calling a function. Example: calculate area passes 10 to length and 5 to width. Return values: function outputs. Result output a function sends back. Keyword result, that is return signals completion, essential for computing and retrieving data. The return value is the result of a function that sends back. The return keyword delivers this value. This is essential for functions that compute, calculate, or retrieve data. Example: return length into width inside calculate area. Return values in practice: any data type, integers, strings, lists, objects, etc., and multiple values typically returned as a tuple. Implicit none returned without explicit return. Only variables defined inside a function as access. This scope is there and then exits only during function execution. The functions are having temporary life and it prevents confliction, promotes encapsulation. Local scope: it is that variables inaccessible outside the function, isolates internal logic for clarity, limits variable influence, reducing side effects. Global scope: defined outside any function, including within functions, lifetime persists throughout execution. Readability is safe, modifying needs keyword, avoid excess can lead to complex bugs, and best practice for safety is this only. Conclusion: parameters are flexible, reusable functions accepting diverse inputs, return values, function output results, Local scope ensures function isolation, preventing unintended side effects. Global scope program wide access but requires careful management. Thus, coming to the end of the session, let's discuss another topic in the upcoming videos. Thank you all.